What if I told you there's a tool that can make cleaning your driveway, patio, or car easier than ever? That's right, pressure washers are the ultimate game changer for home maintenance. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 pressure washers of 2025 that are powerful, efficient, and worth every penny. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to keep your home spotless, these picks will blow you away. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Sun Joe Electric Pressure Washer. Pressure washers can be expensive, but we found the reasonably priced Sun Joe Electric Pressure Washer to be a great option for anyone looking to keep costs down yet still get a pressure washer with enough power to carry out common around-the-property cleaning tasks. It's a little more expensive than our overall best recommendation, but it has some nice extra features, like 2 detergent tanks and a little more power. We tested this pressure washer on a wooden fence, a car, and a concrete walkway. In each case, it did a very good job of removing dirt, bird droppings, stains, decomposing yard waste, and other unpleasant grunge, and we experienced no damage to nearby surfaces. Number 2. Simpson CM61083 Clean Machine 3400 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. Gas pressure washers are generally far more powerful than electric types. If you're looking for a top-rated gas model that packs a mean punch, the Simpson gas pressure washer is the best choice we tested. We love the high-pressure output that made short work of a variety of surfaces over 6 months of use, driveways, decks, fences, and even vehicles with the pressure dialed back. We were especially impressed with how well this pressure washer cleaned our outdoor furniture, which was caked with pollen. It also saved us after a big rainstorm during the summer that left stains on the side of our house, allowing us to whip it into shape before a scheduled HOA inspection. Number 3. Greenworks 3000 PSI Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. For those who prefer not to handle the heaviness and upkeep associated with a gas pressure washer, we recommend this electric model from Greenworks. For one of our testing sessions, we used this pressure washer to tackle a wooden deck that hadn't been thoroughly cleaned in 3 years. The deck was covered in thick dirt, grime, fallen leaves, and garden debris. Less than 20 minutes later, the deck looked great. We were highly impressed with how quickly and easily this pressure washer blasted away the grunge. However, it's worth noting that we first used the highest pressure nozzle, which was so powerful that it actually slightly damaged the wood. Once we switched to a lower pressure nozzle, it was all smooth sailing. Electric pressure washers like this one are ideal for the typical around-the-house cleaning projects undertaken by the average DIYer, such as hosing down a grungy driveway, cleaning outdoor furniture, or even getting the exterior of your home ready to paint. Number 4. Dewalt 2100 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. We chose the Dewalt electric pressure washer as our best compact pressure washer for 2 reasons. The small wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to move around, and at only 24 pounds, the second lightest on our list, it's also easy to pick up and carry. We took advantage of that to clean our concrete patio, SUV, and concrete patio in record time, then stored it away to use it about once a month to keep our cars clean and touch up the patio. When we first unboxed this compact pressure washer, we carried it out to our concrete patio, which hadn't been washed in several years. The pressure washer did an excellent job of removing all grunge and stains, even without using soap. Number 5. Greenworks 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks 2000 stood out among the other pressure washers we tested for its 11-inch surface cleaner, making short work of stubborn stains on wide, flat surfaces like driveways, patios, and fences. With the attachment, we were able to blast away all manner of dirt and grime from our driveway, house siding, and wooden fence. By the time we were finished, the fence looked like new, and we had even removed an old, stubborn rust stain from the driveway. We also used the pressure washer to clean an exceptionally dirty car, and in just 20 minutes, we had a shiny automobile with no more bugs, bird droppings, dust, dirt, or tree sap marring its appearance. However, we do wish that this model had a built-in soap dispenser instead of a small hose to drop into a separate bottle of detergent. So, which of these pressure washers are you adding to your cleaning arsenal? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you find the perfect pressure washer, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, happy cleaning!